What if one simple sheet of felt could become an entire product collection? From home decoration to personalized gifts, today we're exploring how laser technology helps creators turn ideas into products. Felt is one of the most versatile materials for creative businesses. It is lightweight, affordable, colorful, and easy to customize. But for many small businesses, traditional cutting methods create challenges. Laser technology changes the way creators work with felt. With precise cutting and flexible customization, one machine can help creators quickly turn digital ideas into physical products. Our first idea starts with something simple: everyday home accessories. By combining colors and creative designs, simple felt becomes a product people can use every day. Small products can create big opportunities. For small businesses, the ability to create different designs quickly is important. Instead of investing in large inventory, creators can test new ideas and produce customized collections on demand. Personalization makes ordinary products meaningful. From souvenir stores to online marketplaces, personalized accessories continue to create new opportunities for makers. Felt is not limited to small accessories. With creative designs, it can also become unique interior decoration. For creators, it means more product ideas. For small businesses, it means faster customization. For distributors, it means helping customers discover new applications. A single sheet of felt can become many different products. And behind every product is a new opportunity waiting to be created. Whether you are a maker, a small business owner, or a partner looking for new opportunities, laser technology can help you transform ideas into products.